Every day, you rely on your garage door for convenience and security, but what happens when it suddenly won't lift? The culprit is often broken springs, a common issue caused by the natural wear and tear of repeated use. Located in the Barrack Heights area, our team of qualified professionals understands how disruptive a malfunctioning garage door can be. That's why we're here to offer swift, reliable repairs to get your day back on track. Don't let a broken spring disrupt your routine. Call us now at 0409-774-111 and ensure your garage door is in perfect working order.